Good morning, children. In today's session, I am going to give book back answer in science for 5th standard. That is term 3 portion, unit 1, children, our environment. All take your classwork, start writing, children. Whatever I am giving on the board, all the book back answers, you have to write in your classwork and submit to me for the correction, okay? When the date is informed to you, on that day you have to submit to me for the correction. So all take down in your classwork. After you are getting the book, you can mark the objectives in the book itself, okay? Now you all take your classwork and start writing. Write the lesson name as our environment, term 3 portion, unit 1, okay? Now first is Roman number 1. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. First one. Which of the following produces more milk? Which of the following produces more milk? Answer is C. Buffalo. So 4 options there. A. Cow, B. Yak, C. Buffalo and D. Goat. So answer is C. Buffalo. The second now. Poultry farming. Poultry farming is rearing and breeding of dash they have given. Answer is avian species. So that is C. Avian species. Okay, children. Now, third, dash is the best fertilizer. 4 options. A. Vermicompost, B. Fruits, C. Synthetic fertilizer and D. Urea. So answer is A. Vermicompost. Vermicompost is your best fertilizer. Answer is A. Vermicompost. Okay. Then fourth, dash is more profitable than agriculture. Dash is more profitable than agriculture. So the answer is B. Farming. Answer is farming. That is B. Farming. Okay, children. Now next is 5th one. Poultry farm is famous in dash they have asked, that is Namakkal. C. Okay. Famous in Namakkal district in Tamil Nadu. District in Tamil Nadu. So what is the answer, children? C. Namakkal. Okay. So this is choose, children. Okay. Next we are going to go to the fill in the blanks. Okay, children. Now next is Roman number 2. There are, that is fill in the blanks. Okay. So fill in the blanks. First one. There are dash breeds of cattle in India. So how many breeds, children? There are 26 breeds of cattle in India. 26 breeds of cattle in India. Okay. Then second, the milk of dash has more nutrients than cow's milk. The milk of buffalo. The milk of buffalo has more nutrients, has more nutrients than cow's milk. Than cow's milk. The third, dash contains high amount of fiber. Roughage. Roughage contains high amount of fiber. Okay, children, this is the third one. Fourth one. Dropping of poultry birds are used as manure. Okay, dropping of poultry birds. Dropping of poultry birds are used as manure. Then fifth one, vermicomposting transforms organic waste. This is the answer. Organic waste into a nutrient rich fertilizer. Okay, children. So what is fill in? There are 26 breeds of cattle in India. Second, the milk of buffalo has more nutrients than cow's milk. Then roughage contains high amount of fiber. Fourth, dropping of poultry birds are used as manure. Fifth, vermicomposting transforms organic waste into a nutrient-rich fertilizer. Okay. Now next we are going to see the match the following. Are you all taking down in your notebooks, children? Write neatly without making any mistakes. Okay, next we are going to write Roman number 3. Match the following. Match the following. First one, Surti. Answer is straight answers, children. Buffalo. Surti, buffalo. Then next, white revolution. For white revolution, answer is milk. White revolution, milk. Then third, layers. Answer is egg. Then fourth, green manure. Leguminous plants. Then fifth one, cattle. Transportation. Okay, children. So we are going to see the following now. That is Surti, buffalo, white revolution, milk, layers, egg, green manure, leguminous plants, green manure, leguminous plants, cattle, transportation, Next, Roman number 4. See true or false. Okay, then first one. Farming is done on a commercial scale. Answer is true. Farming is done on a commercial scale. True. Then vermicompost. What is that? Vermicompost can be used to clean sewage. True. What is that? Vermicompost can be used to clean the sewage. True is the answer. Okay, children? Then I have written all this. I am rubbing the board. Right, without mistakes, children. Only then it will be easy for you to learn for your exam. Okay. Whatever I am giving on that day itself, sit and finish it off. Don't keep it till the last minute. What I am giving, whenever the class comes for you, take down at that time itself in your notebook. Then, third, true or false. Leguminous plants fix nitrogen in the leaves of the plants. Answer is false. Okay, so leguminous plants fix nitrogen in the leaves of the plants. Then Namakkal district is famous for dairy farm. False. Okay. Then fifth one. Murrah is a buffalo breed. So what is the answer here? Yes. True. Okay, so children, farming is done on a commercial scale. True. Vermicompost can be used to clean sewage. True. Third, leguminous plants fix nitrogen in the leaves of the plants. False. Namakkal district is famous for dairy farm. False. Murrah is a buffalo breed. True. Okay, children. Now, Roman number 5. Answer briefly. Roman number 5. Answer briefly. Now we are going to write this now. First one. What is farming? What is farming? Okay, children, what is farming? Answer is farming is a Farming is the activity of growing crops and raising livestock. Okay children, what is that? What is farming? Farming is the activity of growing crops and raising livestock. What is farming? Farming is the activity of growing crops and raising livestock. What is farming? Farming is the activity of growing crops and raising livestock. Then second, mention the types of farming. Mention the types of farming. So the answer is, so with these two questions we'll finish in this period. So in the next class we'll continue with the other questions. Student, till 2 questions we'll write now. Answer is, the 2 types of farming are, the 2 types of farming are, okay, first is dairy farming, and the second one is poultry farming. These are 2 questions. And how many questions still you have? 3 questions you have, and the detail also you have. Okay children, so with this we will finish. In the next class I will continue this question answer. Student, I will finish off this again. What is farming? Farming is the activity of growing crops and raising livestock. Farming is the activity of growing crops and raising livestock. Then mention the types of farming. They have asked how to start. Mention the types of farming. The 2 types of farming are dairy farming and poultry farming. The 2 types of farming are dairy farming and poultry farming. So 2 questions we have finished, and the objectives also. In the next class we'll continue with the question answer. Student, thank you.